What's going on, guys? So I kind of wanted to make a video and talk a little bit about Tesla and how to swing trade Tesla and if Tesla is a good swing trade right now. So today is April 1st, 2021, and Tesla had kind of a rough day. After the last 2 days, it kind of had some good price action, some good movement up forward. It reclaimed supply at the 5 to 10, the 20-day moving average, and today kind of came up and hit this 50-day EMA and then sort of sold off for the rest of the day, actually finishing down $6.18. So just based off of the price action today and the chart today I would not take Tesla as a swing trade into Monday. If it can kind of do these couple of things, then I would consider getting into Tesla for a possible swing. So on Monday, come market open, what we're really looking to do is we're really looking to confirm the high of day price today of 694.41. Let's just call it 695. Um, as soon as Tesla can confirm 695, I would look to get long. My exit strategy would be the testing of this day, this day, this day, this day, this day, and let's call it this day. So we're looking at one, two, three, four times out of the past month, really, that it's came up here, kind of cracked $716, $715, and got rejected. Every time that it's got rejected off the $715 area, it's kind of sold off. So as you can see here, came up, cracked this level, and then sold off. Came up here, had a big run up, and then sold off. Started trending up again, and then sold off. So as we can see, every time it kind of touches above $715, it kind of gets rejected and then comes back down. The good thing is for going into next week, the triple Qs and the SPY finished really, really strong. So if we get a continuation into April, and historically we've had a good trading month in the month of April, you can kind of use this 50 EMA as your entry point here. As soon as Tesla can sort of crack that and confirm today's price action and the 50 EMA, I would look for an entry point. My exit point would be anywhere from 700 to 716. So you can use this as a swing trade. Your stop loss would be today's low of day, which is $660. What we closed at 661.75. I would use this area as your level of support and use that as your stop loss. So as long as Tesla has not come down and closed lower than today's low of day, I would just kind of let the trade ride out and let it do its thing. Kind of set up your stop losses in advance, kind of just monitor it that way, but don't really want to be checking a stock like Tesla every 5 minutes, every hour, every 30 minutes, because Tesla can have big swings up and big swings down in a day. And when you see your account starting to go negative and you see yourself losing money on a trade, it just gives you kind of that feeling that you want to cut your losses quick. Before you enter into a swing trade, you kind of want to know what your price target is, and you kind of want to know where you're going to stop out before you even enter the trade. So always remember that. You always know what your risk is, you always know what your reward is, and if you get anything above your reward, it's just like a little cherry on top. So going forward, the price for me to want to get into swing Tesla to the upside is going to be a break of the 50 EMA, and the price is going to be about 693.34. For my own peace of mind, I'm probably going to say I'm going to add a little bit to that just to really know and get some confirmation, maybe 695. And then I'll look to sort of take profits anywhere I see fit over that, heading into the $700 range. If you are looking to short Tesla to the downside, one of the main things that you're going to be looking for is going to be a break of today's lows or today's close, 661.75. Your first area that you would be looking to take profits is going to be the 5-day demand zone, which is going to be it's going to be 630, 670. Let's call it 635. So that's a 30-point move to the downside. I really would not try to consider holding any shorts or put positions past that just due to the fact that this could reverse on you. It could find this, either one of these, the 10-day or the 5-day area. It could find those areas as a form of support and then sort of get a reversal on you. And then you can end up losing profits. So just kind of know if you're going to take Tesla to the downside, understand that you're going to have support at 653. You're going to have support at 644, and you're going to have support at 637. Off any one of those levels and any one of those prices, you can get a bounce and a reversal back up. If you're looking for a bigger play to the downside on Tesla, I really wouldn't want to take any positions short until it cracks below 638, and I'm going to call it 635. Until you get a break below 635, then I would be looking for the $600 range, which is tested once. Actually, this day you can pretty much consider a test here. I mean, this was 609. 1, 2, 3, 4 days it's tested this area. It's held up pretty strong. This area also is the 150-day moving average. So to the downside, that would be my point to take profits there at around $600 or wherever you see fit. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude who likes to trade a little bit of stocks and kind of pass on my knowledge and what's worked for me. So to the upside, going into next week, I'm looking for a 693, 695 break, and I'm looking for profit taking around $700 to $715. To the downside, I am looking for a 635 break, and I am looking for profit around 600. If you are a little bit more risky, there is a sneaky little area in here where you can kind of get in at 650. And take some profits at 645, take some profits at 639, and then kind of cut your losses there and then reevaluate it. But that's how I would swing trade Tesla going into next week. I hope everyone has a good weekend. Enjoy your holiday if you're going to celebrate Easter. And until next time, guys, let's all make a lot of money.